Boom guys, thank you for using Delta. We have this message. What's up fellas and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online guys. Let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called Upload, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there guys and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you know how to find it, just click here. So let me just show you. So open your official Roblox on your browser and just copy your profile link. Okay, it's super easy. Let's get back to the our tool. We have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. Press continue guys and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select on button and select script that you want to add to your account guys. I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites. For now, this Upload is an amazing website for this. Okay, let's see. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games for App Store, complete those simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and TikTok, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting tags guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happens, so let's wait together and let's see. Nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boot check. Delta Executor is important to your account guys. I'm so excited to test this. Okay, so let me open the game and let's see does it actually work. So let's see guys. Okay, let's play this. And guys, look at this, I'm now in the game and we have these panels. So let me click here and boom guys, thank you for using Delta. We have this message. Look at this, all scripts are added successfully. Just click execute and join in your scripts. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.